In this video, I'm gonna share 8 years of my trading experience condensed into 20 simple lessons. My goal is to save you years of struggle and thousands of dollars that I lost learning these lessons. This could be the one video that will finally help you to become a profitable trader. The lessons I'm about to share with you are the exact principles I used to become a six-figure funded trader and leave my 9-to-5 job. We are going to simplify trading together. I'm gonna cover everything from strategy and risk to the psychological traps that hold most people back. Let's jump into lesson number 1. This mistake keeps 90% of people in a state of confusion. You're not able to become an expert at 5 things at once. All the market conditions has its own personality. The solution is to choose one asset and only one asset when you're starting out. Focus all of your behavior in learning the character of one asset. I traded EURUSD for years before I started trading other pairs. Lesson 2. The less is more. Most of the people believe that more time they spend in front of the charts, more money they're gonna make. When in reality, it forces them to take low quality trades, make more mistakes, and eventually lose their accounts. The moment you start focusing only on A+ setups is the moment when you will increase your win rate incredibly. Let me tell you about the rule of thumb. If you're a scalper, you're going to have 1 to 2 trades per one session. If you're a day trader, you're going to have 1 to 2 trades per day. If you're a swing trader, you will have only 1 to 2 high quality trades per 1 week. Lesson number 3. Your strategy is everything. Probably you heard that the trading psychology is the 90% of the job. Here's the dangerous lie. You can't work on your psychology unless you have a perfect strategy, a perfect, fully mechanical strategy that you can truly follow and trust it. So first of all, focus on finding a proven, back-tested, a mechanical edge over the markets that can be traded by everyone. And only after that, you have to be focusing on your psychology. Lesson number 4, risk to reward ratio. There's a negative correlation between your win rate and the reward that you are seeking. Higher the reward, the lower is going to be your risk. As experience shows, you have to aim for the 50% win rate while aiming for 3 to 5 hours per trade. Lesson number 5, track your trades. You should incorporate this 5-minute rule. If you're not tracking your trades, you don't have data. If you don't have data, you cannot improve. You should get yourself a journal. It can be a simple spreadsheet. After each trading day, just sit and record all of the trades that you took and how it came out. Number 6, ask questions. Random actions leads to random results. Before you enter any trade, you must ask yourself a question. Why am I entering this trade? If you hesitate to answer this question for even a second, stop. Don't take this trade. Just follow this and you will double your win rate. Number 7, taking partials kills your profits. I'm a big fan that any strategy you trade should be set and forget. By taking partial profits, you're not letting your edge to play out. First of all, your strategies should be back-tested and have a proven data. And secondly, you should blindly follow your strategy once you have confirmed that it works. No partials, no break-evens, that's it. Number 8, ignore news and narratives. Financial news out there is not designed to help you. Everything that matters is the pure price action. As a technical traders, we believe in one thing. The price already reflects all of the news and events. When you see a headline, just ask yourself, who is benefiting from this news? So turn off the news and look at your charts. Number 9, no more than 2 indicators. All you need to know to become a profitable trader is to know where the price is going and where is your optimal entry point. Everything beyond this is an extra. You just need one technique, one indicator, whatever. Just identify where the price is going and find your optimal entry point. All of the rest is just a noise. Number 10, stop strategy hopping. Most of the people have a working strategy, but they don't have enough patience to let their edge to play out. You find a strategy, you trade it a couple of times, and you abandon this if you don't see an instant result. When in reality, it takes at least 1 to 300 trades for your edge to play out, for the data, for the game of probabilities to do its job. So please, first of all, backtest your strategy with at least 1 to 300 trades. Then follow it blindly, no matter what. You might have a losing season, but you will win the whole year. Number 11, position sizing is everything. No matter how good is your strategy, if you're not risking the same amount on all of the trades, nothing matters. On one trade, you can over-risk and wipe out all of your profits or half of your account. And on the other trade, you can be a little bit afraid to risk that money. You risk like 0.5%, less than 0.5%, and that trade turns out to be A+ setup, and bam, you've missed your opportunity. So choose one risk that you will be risking across all of the pairs, all of the trades. That is usually 1% or 0.5%. That is good enough. And make sure to never ever revenge trade by increasing your lot size. Number 12, trading is a skill. Here's the hard truth why you haven't made it yet. You wouldn't expect to become a brain surgeon or a lawyer in 1 week, right? Trading is a high performance skills and is in any other job, you need a time to become a master at it. So stop looking for a get rich quick scheme. Give yourself a time, at least from 6 to 18 months, to master the skill, the art of trading. Number 13, find a mentor. What is the biggest shortcut to the success in any field? Trying to learn everything by yourself is the slowest and the most expensive way. You will definitely pay for your education. That's going to be either from your mentor or from the losses that you take in the markets. The fastest way to become a profitable trader is to find a mentor who is at the place where you want to be and learn his strategy. Just make sure that it's 100% mechanical strategy that you can actually copy it. So make sure to invest into the mentor and shorten your learning curve. Number 14, it is not that hard to be a profitable trader. I'm gonna prove to you mathematically that you are much closer to be a profitable trader than you think. Most of the people think that they need to win 8 or 9 times out of 10 to be a profitable trader. Trading is like flipping the coin. If you're going to flip the coin 100 times, you're going to get the results like you're going to get 50 times heads and 50 times tails most of the times. So basically 50 times you're going to lose, 50 times you're going to win. But you have to make sure that each time you win, you're going to earn more than when you lose. So if you have a 2 times return on your risk, that means like if you win 50 times and lose 50 times, at least you're going to make like extra $25. And from this place, you just need to scale. Number 15, don't catch the whole move. This secret is going to reveal a lot of stress from you. You don't have to catch the absolute bottom to buy and absolute top to sell. It's gonna lead to the greed and holding too long. You'll be watching your winning trades to turn into the losing ones. Your job is not to catch the whole move. Your job is to catch the meat between the whole move. So don't aim for high RR trades. 3 to 5 R is the best. Price history is the king. You can't look at the random levels in the markets and tell that that level is going to work or no. From my experience, from my mechanical edge over the markets, I can tell that you need to use the time and price theory. Most of the times, the key levels are going to be tied to some date. Let's say the previous day high, previous day low, previous week high, previous week low. These are the levels that contains a lot of support and resistance and a lot of liquidity beyond them. And if you want to learn how to trade price plus time theory, I will leave the link to the video below. Number 17. Predictions mean nothing. This is the difference between the Twitter guru and the real pro. Anyone can post the charts with the arrows to the upside and to the downside and then tell they have called it without having actually money on the line. So the execution is the only thing that matters. So stop trying to predict the markets. Just be reactive. Put your money on the line. A well-managed loss is much better than a lucky unmanaged win. Number 18, a break-even day is the winning day. Bro, I'm giving you permission not to make money every single day. Not even every single week or months. The pressure to make money every single day is the recipe for disaster. It forces you to take trades when there are no any trades. The number one goal of any trader is to preserve the capital they have. Basically, out of 12 months, you're going to have 3 very good months. 3 other months are going to be very bad. And the other 6 months are going to be a moderate wins, moderate losses, and most of the times at break even. This is a reality of trading. Just accept it. Number 19, survival is the key. If you're new for trading, I want you to forget about making money. Just for a while. Most of the traders are so focused on making money, so they take a high amount of risk and blow their accounts. Your only goal for the first year of trading is just to survive. Just don't lose your starting capital. Instead of focusing on how can I make money, how much money I can make, start focusing on how can I precisely follow my trading plan and do everything as I planned. This is the ultimate recipe for success. Number 20, ride the trend. I saved the most important lesson for the last. It's a statistical fact that the trend is your friend. And when you are trading in the direction of the trend, and most importantly, in the direction of the momentum, you have over 67% edge from those people who don't trade in the direction of the trend. So stop trying to fight the trend. So those are the 20 most important lessons from my 8 years of journey as a trader. Mastering them will save up years of struggle for you as a trader, and probably thousands and thousands of dollars. But as you heard in the lesson 3, your strategy is the most important part. Knowing all of these rules are just one part, but having a specific mechanical strategy is what actually makes you a profitable trader. All of these list of rules is not a complete trading plan. That complete plan, including my fully mechanical edge over the market, my daily trading ideas, weekly calls, you can get all of that inside of our OP Investing Mentorship Program. That's the fastest way to earn while you are learning. If you're ready to start, just send me a direct message with a word guide on my social media, Instagram or Telegram, and me or my team will contact you and give you all of the information. But if you first want to learn more about the methods that we trade on a daily basis, check out this video.